हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं POSB रूल्स 2018 सेविंग्स बैंक SB स्कीम्स रिलेटेड जितने MCQ पेपर 1 GDS टू MTS GDS टू पोस्टमैन और ये पोस्टल असिस्टेंट सॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट में आने का चांस है, वो सभी MCQ SB स्कीम्स रिलेटेड आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो बहुत ध्यानपूर्वक पूरे वीडियो देखिएगा और अंत में अगर अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन फिनाकल कैश विड्रॉल कैन बी डन फ्रॉम अदर CVS पोस्ट ऑफिस इन ए डे अप टू, यानी कि आप कैश विड्रॉल कोई भी CVS कोर बैंकिंग सॉल्यूशन पोस्ट ऑफिस से आप विड्रॉल कर सकते हो। लिमिट कितना है? 10,000, 50,000, 25,000, 5,000। आपका लिमिट 50,000 तक आप कोई भी पोस्ट ऑफिस से कैश विड्रॉल कर सकते हो। नेक्स्ट, विटनेस फॉर नॉमिनेशन इन केस ऑफ अकाउंट ओपन बाय लिटरेट, मतलब कोई लिटरेट पर्सन अगर अकाउंट को ओपन करना चाहते हैं तो क्या उसके लिए विटनेस जरूरी है? नो, विटनेस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the preservation period of list of silent accounts revived received from SBCOs? preservation period क्या है? वो परमानेंट रिकॉर्ड है, उसे परमानेंटली प्रिजर्व करना है। नेक्स्ट, एटलीस्ट one transaction of deposit or withdrawal in कितने फाइनेंशियल ईयर में आपको एक SB डिपॉजिट में आपको डिपॉजिट करना है या फिर मिनिमम विड्रॉल करना है पासबुक को एक्टिव रखने के लिए? 3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर में अगर एक भी ट्रांजैक्शन ना हो तो वो अकाउंट आपका इनएक्टिव हो जाता है। इन CVS कोर बैंकिंग सॉल्यूशन पोस्ट ऑफिस टू सेंड फॉलोइंग रिकॉर्ड्स टू CPC आफ्टर अकाउंट ओपनिंग। Option A, AOF forms, B, KYC form with list, C, both A and B, D, none of the above। अब करेक्ट आंसर होगा KYC form with list। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द प्रीरिक्विजिट्स फॉर अवेलिंग DOP मोबाइल बैंकिंग सर्विस? DOP मोबाइल बैंकिंग सर्विस पाने के लिए आपको क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट जरूर जमा करना है? कस्टमर का वैलिड ईमेल ID होना जरूरी है, वैलिड पैन नंबर होना जरूरी है और वैलिड मोबाइल नंबर भी होना जरूरी है। तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव होगा। नेक्स्ट, द मैटर्स फॉर विच नो प्रोविजन हैज बीन मेड इन सेविंग स्कीम 2019 फॉर दैट रेफरेंस शुड बी मेड विद गवर्नमेंट सेविंग्स प्रमोशन जनरल रूल्स 2018 GSPR 2018 के तहत जितने रूल्स रिगार्डिंग सेविंग्स बैंक सेविंग्स पासबुक से रिलेटेड किया गया है उसी को आपको मानना है। Next question, what is the preservation period of duplicate copies of preliminary receipts SB26 received from the branch offices and kept in account office? Minimum 18 month, 18 month the preservation period is for duplicate copies of SB26. Next question, by which financial command history transaction related to before migration can be viewed? HIOT। ये PA एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, HIOT। What is the preservation period of register of collection checks? कलेक्शन चेक कलेक्शन करने के प्रिजर्वेशन पीरियड कितना है? मतलब उसे सही तरीके से डॉक्यूमेंट को संभाल के रखना है 2 ईयर। इफ द अकाउंट ओपन विथ इनिशियल डिपॉजिट एक्सीडिंग ₹50,000 इज मैंडेटरी। एक पैन कार्ड फोटोकॉपी, बी डिक्लेरेशन इन फॉर्म 6061, आइदर A और B। If account opened with initial deposit exceeding ₹50,000, अगर 50,000 से ज़्यादा आपको अकाउंट खोलना है रखना है तो आपको पैन कार्ड का जेरोक्स देना है या फिर फॉर्म 6061 फिलअप करना है। फॉर्म 60 में क्या है? फॉर्म 60 डिक्लेरेशन है, जिसके पास पैन कार्ड नहीं है उसको ये फॉर्म फिलअप करना है। और फॉर्म 61 क्या होता है? जिसके पास पैन नहीं है 60 या फिर 61 कोई भी एक फॉर्म फिलअप करना है। Mark the correct option. SB26 denotes preliminary receipt. Yes, true. SB28 denotes receipt for depositor's passbook. True. SB58 denotes long book. True. All of the above. If there is difference in the name of the deceased depositor, which of the following certificate is to be obtained along with claim application? Reconciliation certificate. ये क्या चीज़ है? ये एक डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जो यूज टू सर्टिफाई डिफरेंट नेम्स और डिटेल्स रेफर टू द सेम पर्सन। वही उन्हीं सेम पर्सन का डॉक्यूमेंट जो डिफरेंट नेम को सर्टिफाई करता हो। What is the preservation period of special error book maintained in SB branch? 3 years. To supply of savings bank statement, ₹20 plus GST will be charged. Mark the correct option. The account can be transferred submitting an application in form SB10. Yes, true. The account may be opened in using the form AOF. True. Account opening form. Option C. SB7 is necessary to get withdrawal except check account. Yes, true. So all of the above is true. Which of the following savings bank account discontinued? पेंशन अकाउंट ये डिसकंटिन्यू हो चुका है। बेसिक सेविंग अकाउंट ये भी डिसकंटिन्यूड हो चुका है। नो इंटरेस्ट अकाउंट ये भी डिसकंटिन्यूड हो चुका है। ऑल ऑफ द अबव। MPKBY मीन्स MPKBY के फुल फॉर्म क्या है? MPKBY होता है महिला प्रधान क्षेत्रीय बचत योजना। What is the preservation period of stock register of passbook? 18 month, 18 month. What is fee for issuing duplicate passbook for POSB account? ₹50 plus GST. अगर आपका रेट जानना है तो SB रूल्स 2018 के पेज नंबर 41 जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के गैजेट पब्लिश किया गया था उसमें शेड्यूल 2 में आप देखिए लिखा गया है फी टू बी चार्ज फॉर सर्विसेज। Issue of duplicate passbook ₹50 plus GST. Issue of the statement of account or deposit receipt 20 in each case plus GST. Issue of passbook in lieu of lost or mutilated certificate 10 per registration plus GST. Cancellation or change of nomination 50 plus GST. Transfer of account 100 plus GST. Pledging of account 100 plus GST. Issue of checkbook in savings bank account, no fee for up to 10 leaves in a calendar year and thereafter at 2 per check leaf. Charges of dishonor of check 100 plus GST. Tax as applicable on the above service charges shall also be payable यानी कि GST। तो ये आपको अच्छी तरीके से याद कर लेना है। What is मनरेगा? मनरेगा होता है महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट जो कि 100 डेज का वर्क होता है उसे ही मनरेगा बोला जाता है। व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम बैलेंस मे बी डिपॉजिटेड टू सिंगल या फिर जॉइंट अकाउंट? देयर इज नो मैक्सिमम लिमिट। इनिशियली आप 500 रुपये से एक सेविंग्स बैंक अकाउंट खोल सकते हो और आपका मैक्सिमम कोई लिमिट नहीं होता है। व्हाट इज दैट limit fixed by Ministry of Finance for sanctioning claims without the production of legal evidence by discretion of authority? 5 lakhs. Which of the following type of SB account does not exist after GSPR? Government Savings Promotion General Rules. ये होता है पेंशन अकाउंट जो कि डिसकंटिन्यू कर चुका है। In what manner the fee for issue of duplicate passbook of savings account is paid by the depositor? Fees would be collected in Finacle. Next question, monthly income scheme rules MIS rules 1987 is replaced with National Savings Monthly Income Account Scheme 2019 from 12/12/2019 GSR 917E के नोटिफिकेशन के तहत। Finacle command to check transaction inquiry before migration TIPM ये PA एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। In Finacle, the after account closure proceeds through check. The maturity value credited in the office account sole ID plus 340. This is for PA exam. The Post Office Savings Bank General Rules 1981 is replaced with Post Office Savings Account Scheme 2019 from 12/12/2019 GSR 921E. In case when no nomination exists or no legal evidence produced available and balance in an account certificate is not above 5 lakhs, and if the legal heirs of the depositor of an account certificate want to prefer a claim, the claimants may submit claim in prescribed form after the expiry of 6 months of the death of depositor. Period of preservation of documents as regards small savings scheme available either hard copy or in soft copy should be preserved for कितने साल के लिए? आफ्टर क्लोजर ऑफ अकाउंट एज पर AML CFT नॉर्म्स फॉर स्मॉल सेविंग स्कीम्स 5 साल के लिए प्रिजर्व करना है। विच ऑफ द फॉर्म इज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड फॉर क्लोजर ऑफ अकाउंट इन पोस्ट ऑफिस सेविंग्स अकाउंट स्कीम 2019? क्लोजर के लिए क्या फॉर्म यूज करना है? फॉर्म नंबर 2. Under CVS, which of the following menu to be entered by counter PA to create SIF of the customer CCRC? This is also for PA exam. After each and every transaction, counter PA should write name of the scheme and transaction ID in red ink on the voucher. जो पे स्लिप उनके पास होते हैं जो कि हेड ऑफिस में ट्रांसफर कराना होता हो, उसके ऊपर हर एक PA को रेड इंक में सोल ID लिखना होता है. One branch post office is situated in a municipality area, then what is the percentage of deposit amount will be paid to the branch postmaster as commission opening of new 5 TD account? इसका correct answer होगा option C, 2% as the BO is situated in municipality area. A blind or illiterate or physically handicapped adult cannot be opened any account? No, they can open. May open or operate account personally? Yes, obviously. And may operate account through a literate agent nominated by him for the purpose? Yes, obviously it's true. So option B and C. The type of account is defined in the rule number of dash post office savings account scheme 2019 means rule 3 के तहत ये डिफाइन किया गया है. Up to what amount payment order for withdrawal from savings account may be sanctioned by a branch postmaster? ब्रांच पोस्टमास्टर के पास कितना तक लिमिट है कि आप विथड्रॉल दे सकते हो मैक्सिमम टू एनी कस्टमर? 20,000. If the claim exceeds the prescribed limit, the claimant should be advised to obtain a succession certificate from a competent court of law. What is minimum balance should remain in a savings account with checkbook after withdrawal? आप पूरे अमाउंट विथड्रॉल कर सकते हो, लेकिन मिनिमम 500 रुपीज़ आपको पासबुक पे जमा रखना है, वो आप नहीं उठा सकते हो. Which of the following is not correct with respect to the deposit and withdrawal of savings account scheme 2019? इसके करेक्ट आंसर होता है ऑप्शन सी. When the balance falls below ₹500, account shall be treated as deemed closed. ये चीज़ मैंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से मेरे जो POSB सेविंग स्कीम के वीडियो है प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज में, वहाँ पे आपको इसके डिटेल्स मिल जाएगा. Finacle command to check unverified non-financial transaction, HAFI. This is also for PA. Finacle command to change account scheme code, HACXFRSC. This is also for PA exam. What is the fee for issue of fresh SB passbook in lieu of used one? None of the above. न्यू फ्रेश पासबुक देने के लिए कोई भी चार्ज नहीं किया जाता है, वो फ्री होता है. If an application for transfer of SB account to another SB sub post office is received at the sub office where account stands, application for transfer of account along with the relevant document will be forwarded to sub office where it is to be transferred. Which of the following Finacle command used to find out new number from old account number? CNAC. This is also for P exam. Which of the following statement is correct about opening of MIS, PPF, NSC, KBP, SCSS at branch post office? Account shall be opened as per the prescribed minimum and maximum limit in scheme? Yes. Initial deposit and subsequent deposit in PPF can be check only. Okay. In RO, respect of monthly and quarterly interest of MIS, SCSS will be paid through respective customer POSB account. Yes, all of the above. In Finacle, during visit by inspection, depositor signature can be viewed by the command IES. This is also for PA exam. How many adult may open a joint savings account? 2. Which of the following Finacle command used to calculate interest before closure of savings account? HSCINT. This is also for PA exam. How many times withdrawal can be made from a savings account standing at BO in a day? Only once in a day. 8 दिन में एक बारी आप विथड्रॉल कर सकते हो. Okay, next, which office issue duplicate passbook of a savings account? Head office. As per POSB, manual acceptance of check while opening new account and subsequent deposit is allowed in all head office, sub office, branch office for account opening and subsequent deposit. Option D is the correct answer. Which Finacle menu is used to unfreeze the account? HAFSM. This is also for PA. What is the preservation period of nominal roll kept in SB SC branch? 10 साल. What is the fee for making nomination in a savings account first time? Free. आप nomination के nominate कर रहे हो first time, it is totally free. Subsequent deposit in a savings account shall not be less than 10 rupees. आप डिपॉजिट करने जा रहे हो, मिनिमम आप 10 रुपये डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो और 50 रुपीज़ विड्रॉल कर सकते हो. Interest earned is tax free up to rupees 10,000. Which of the following is correct? Physical presence of witness at the time of acceptance of deceased claim case is mandatory. No. Physical presence of witness is not required. If self-attested photocopy of ID and address proof is given. Yes. Physical presence of witness is required although self-attested photo. No. If self-attested photocopy of ID and address proof is given, then physical presence are not witness is not so much required. All claims in respect of discontinued schemes will be sanctioned at head post office. What is the current rate of interest on savings scheme? 4%. 4% is the current rate of scheme interest. SB5 CBS passbook consists of how many pages? 12 plus cover page. How many persons can be nominated by the depositor of a savings account? 4% only. आप max to max 4 person को nominate कर सकते हो कोई भी स्कीम के लिए. 25% each share. मिनिमम अमाउंट विथड्रॉल अलाउड इन सेविंग्स अकाउंट ₹50. मैंने पहले ही बोला था डिपॉजिट आप हाँ 50 विथड्रॉल कर सकते हो. Finacle command to change status minor to major SCBM. This is also for PA. What is the fee for getting the nomination altered in a savings account? ₹50 plus GST. मैंने बताया अब गैजेटेड नोटिफिकेशन के शेड्यूल 2 में पूरा दिया गया है चार्ट, उसे आपको याद करना है. In case any discrepancy, passbook will be retained and receipt form SB 28 will be issued to the depositor. SB 28. What is mean by joint A type account? Joint A type and joint B type. आपका गैजेटेड नोटिफिकेशन के पेज नंबर आपके 34 में .8 में दिया गया है. टाइप ऑफ अकाउंट जॉइंट ए टाइप, जॉइंट बी टाइप. So all account holders should sign in the withdrawal form. Joint A type account and joint B type account can be the account can be run by individual in joint account, but individual can operate the account. On receipt of PBK, MIS PPF SCSS form account office GDS BPM adopt procedure given below. Update the new account, no balance after transaction and manual check. Yes. Depositor copy of SB26 should be taken back and pasted with office copy. Yes. Depositor signature on manual check register should be registered. All of the above. No maximum limit on savings bank account from 1st October 2011. There is no limit of कितने भी पैसा savings bank में deposit कर सकते हो. Next, in which of the following SB account nomination is compulsory? Joint B type account, yes. Joint A type account, yes. Minor through guardian, yes. Every account, each and every account in post office, the nomination is mandatory. Without nomination, account can't be opened. Which menu is used in SB account to change or correct the name of depositor without using SIP ID? HALM. This is for PA exam. In case nomination was made by the depositor and was in order, but for any reason post office did not register the nomination, and the nomination can be registered later on after verification and approval by divisional superintendent. Which of the following Finacle command used to modification of account before verification? None of the above. Nominee may make an application in prescribed form in duplicate to the post office where account stands along with proof of death of depositor in original and passbook for death claim of the depositor. GDS branch postmaster can accept any blank check for opening of new account. Subsequent deposit and check is to be drawn in favor of concerned postmaster of the office, concerned branch postmaster, and concerned head postmaster of head office. Now, all of the above. It's option C. आप ब्रांच पोस्टमास्टर BPM कोई भी न्यू अकाउंट खोलना चाहते हो बैंक चेक के माध्यम से, तो उसे हेड ऑफिस के साथ कंसर्न करना है. A dormant account is one in which deposit or withdrawal has not taken place for 3 completed financial year. In what manner fee for getting the nomination cancelled in a savings account is to be paid? Fees should be collected in Finacle. Maintenance fee for failed to maintain minimum of balance in savings account. 50. Maintenance fee for fail to maintain minimum of balance in savings account scheme 2019 is rupees 50 is minimum fee. The claim supported by legal evidence and when no nomination exists for account standing at time scale LSG, HSG to sub post offices behind the sanction limit of respective SPMs. Those claims will be forwarded to DAS after verifying all the particulars of claim, and DAS will issue sanction for such claims irrespective of any limit. Divisional office and divisional superintendent, यानी कि those claims will be forwarded to divisional office and divisional superintendent will issue sanction for such claims irrespective of any limit. The revival of the account can be made at only in head office. Finacle command to check unverified financial transaction, HFTI. This is for PA exam. If an account is found to have been opened in contravention of any relevant rule for the time in force and applicable to the account kept in the POSB, the relevant head savings bank may at any time cause the account to be closed and the deposit made in account refunded to the depositor. In that case, no interest will be paid in that case. Next question, when an account opened in contravention of rules, the account should be closed. Yes, obviously. The deposit made in the account refunded to the depositor without interest. Yes, both A and B. Witness for nomination in case of account opened by illiterate person, 2 witness required. And if literate person, no witness required. Limit of an SPM to sanction decreased claim cases without nomination, 50,000. GDS BPM should accept the claim application form along with documents and after accepting witnesses, forward the case along with all documents to the post office where account stands by service insured post on the day of its receipt at branch office. Next question, what is the minimum balance should remain in a savings account without check account after withdrawal? Rupees 500 is the minimum balance you have to maintain in a passbook. The definition year mentioned in post office savings account scheme 2019 means year means a period of 12 months commencing on the first day of April financial year. What is meant by joint B type account? Any one of them can sign in the withdrawal form. In joint B type account, any one of the member of joint account can sign in the withdrawal form and can use the account. Next, number of joint accounts allowed for an individual in respect of savings bank account, one single, one joint. You can see the reference is given here. Which one of the below document is not considered as legal evidence for death claim? डेथ क्लेम के लिए लीगल एविडेंस डॉक्यूमेंट्स के हिसाब से क्या नहीं जरूरी है? 1 इंडेमनिटी बॉन्ड, 2 लेटर ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, 3 प्रोबेट ऑफ विल, दी सक्सेशन सर्टिफिकेट. Succession certificate is required, but indemnity bond is not required. You can see here it is given the source. If the eligible amount in the account does not exceed rupees 5 lakh, then these documents are required. Death certificate, passbook or deposit receipt, affidavit in form 13, a letter of disclaimer in form 14, bond of indemnity in form 15. And if the eligible account in decreased account is above rupees 5 lakh, then succession certificate with these documents are required. What is the minimum age for opening a single savings account by a minor himself in his name? 10 years. Minimum 10 years a minor can open account as a minor. What is the fee for transfer of savings account from one post office to another post office? 100 plus GST. You can see the list is given here. Issue of duplicate passbook 50 rupees plus GST. Issue of statement of account 20 plus GST. Issue of passbook in lieu of loss 10 plus registration fee. Cancellation or change of nomination 50 plus GST. Transfer of account 100 plus GST. Pledging of account 100 plus GST. Issue of checkbook after 10 pages 2 per check. Leaf charges or discount honor of check 100 and tax plus GST. Fee for issue of check exceeds the prescribed limit, then 2 per check. Charges for dishonored check rupees 50 plus GST no, rupees 100 plus GST is the correct answer. Charges for dishonored check you will find is 100 plus GST. So guys, आज का MCQ सेशन इतना ही तक था. हमारे साथ जुड़ के रहने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, नमस्ते.
Kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Graffiti on the walls paint the struggle and climb. The clock keeps spinning but I'm owning my time. Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Street lights flicker on this endless trail. Each corner whispers a hero fail. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveil. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.